This will be a speed test between the Sony Xperia XZ2 versus the Razer Phone. Now the Razer Phone, I just received the Android 8.1 OTA. They both have Snapdragon processors. The XZ2 being the newer device has the Snapdragon 845 and 6 gigs of RAM, this being the Taiwanese model, has the 6 gigs. And the Razer Phone has last year's Snapdragon 835 and a whopping 8 gigs of RAM. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! Going to About Phone on the Razer Phone. So you can see Android 8.1 on this device. Android Octopus, Android Oreo. There you go. Gonna go ahead and clear it out. And there's nothing in the background on the XZ2 already. So let's get started by tapping the messaging app. XZ2. Camera on both phones. XZ2 again. Calculator. This one's about the same on both. The clock on both phones. Ooh, very similar. Start the stopwatch. Leave that running in the background. The Play Store on both phones. Identical. Click on Uber. Leave it on that page. PlayStation. And give this to the XZ2. Of course, Sony app has to go to the Sony boy, right? MLB at bat. This one's gonna go to XZ2. NBA app. And this one, XZ2, but not by much. Browsing on both. Go ahead and click on Amazon. And about the same on both. Gonna go ahead and scroll through this page. Give you an idea of the browsing performance. And it's very fast on both phones. Amazon.com full site. Check that out. And I think the XZ2 finished first on that. Pinch to zoom. Both are nice and butter, especially on the Razer with its 120Hz screen. Not bad at all. Close that out. Mario Run on both. Both are loading right now. And ooh, give this to the Razer Phone. Tap to begin and go back to the home page. Subway Surf. Buenos Aires on this one. Both are loading right now. And give this to the XZ2. Tap to begin or tap to play. Close it out. Temple Run 2. Blazing Sands on this one. And ooh, very close. We'll see who's out in front right now. And XZ2. Tap to play. Close this game. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. XZ2 out in front. Will the Razer Phone catch up? It does not, and give this win to the XZ2. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Pretty much the same, maybe the XZ2 a little bit ahead, but not by much. CSR Racing 2. And which one's out in front? We'll find out in a second. And the Razer Phone actually takes this one. So as you can see, Razer Phone still a beast. Even 6 months into its life. We do have the gram on both phones. And identical pretty much. And Snapchat, give this to the Razer Phone. Again, not that much of a difference though. So let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background as you can see. Now the Razer Phone does have 8 gigs of RAM. XZ2 has 6. So on paper, Razer Phone has the advantage. But let's take a look at the RAM management anyway and see how it handles that. And we have the gram on both ready to go. CSR Racing 2. Paused and ready to resume on both phones, as you can see. Grand Theft Auto ready to go. Angry Birds 2, same place. Temple Run 2, ready to resume. Subway Surf, and ready to resume as well. Mario Run on both. And this game is continuing on both, as you can see. Nice and butter smooth on both thus far. The browsing on both. And same place. NBA app. And ooh, a reload on the Razer. Interesting. MLB at bat on both. And as you can see, same place on both. PlayStation. And okay, I think that was a reload on the right. Play Store, same place. Clock on both. And stopwatch is, yep, still running on both. Calculator, same place. The camera on both. And messaging. What's going on with the Razer phone? Starting to reload a little bit towards the end. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you rocking the Razer phone? With its awesome front-firing speakers, this phone has the best speakers in the market and it's unique 120Hz screen. Are you down to get on the highway to the Razer zone? Or are you a Sony boy rocking this XZ2, the Sony Xperia XZ Premium, and the upcoming XZ2 Premium, that phone rumored to have a 4K display, etc.? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.